Even when it rough, I kept my head up. Yeah, I know I could never be a failure. Yeah, I was trying hard 'cause I want better.
Monday morning, what's up, guys? Back at it again. I'm in a good mood today. We got a lot of stuff going on this week. A lot of stuff going on. I actually had somebody comment on one of my videos. Why are you never in uniform? Well, your boy got the unis, and we about to stun on them today. We about to stun on them. We got the uniforms. Had to stop by Chick-fil-A, and that was the clip that you guys saw of homeboy trying to take the big ass electrical truck through the drive. I don't know what his plan was. Yeah, I've got a question. Do you really expect that you're gonna go through the drive-through? What's your plan here? Please explain to me what your plan is here. But we're in a good ass mood today. We got so much going on the channel this week. I think I'm replacing the CV axle today. I don't know what we got going on. I'm at a point, you know, usually you're trying to find content. Right now I'm at a point to where there's so much content, I'm trying to decide what I'm gonna do today. So either way, you guys need to stay tuned, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It's gonna get good today. So stay tuned. Look at this angle, wow. Y'all ever seen that before? Whoa, that's crazy. On a real note though, y'all boys need to wake up on Monday mornings and see it as a new week of opportunities. Fuck last week, forget what happened last week. This week, just that's what you need to do this week. What are we doing?
Busted nuts.
You got 4 guys standing around, busted nuts.
You're trying to. You're
I'm trying. Yeah, I only got one hand.
Well, get on your knees and open your mouth. We'll put it in there for you.
Oh my God. This is terrible. Christian music playing in the background. Busted nuts.
Everything's fresh.
What you got, Lance? Ooh.
Those spots up on that thing.
How does this come out of here?
Where is your jack stand, boy? I don't have to make that call.
How does this come out of here? That's all you had to say was take that piece off. You see? You see what we do? This is what we did the other night when we hit the curb. See what we do? See what happens when you have 5% windshield tint? Stuff like this happens. Well, just like that, we got a new CV axle in the truck. I'm using my tripod again. I haven't used it in a while. Bam. Lance, come here. Oh, wow. New CV axles in the truck. Got the old one here. This is what happens when you have 5% wind chill tint and you hit a curb. You blow CV axles. That's what happens. You see this? See this? That's what happens when you have 5% wind chill tint.
That Dunkin' Donuts drive-thru or?
No, that was a Quick Trip.
Oh. Quick
Quick Trip gas station, yeah. You see the little bit of electrical tape on there? Yeah. You know what happens with stuff like this? That's what we do with that. Whistling diesel style. We'll pick that up. Stop by the upholstery shop. Everything's good over there. Alex's is messing with some BMW or something. Zach wasn't at the shop. I'm gonna go see him later. So, you know, if y'all wanna see Zach on the channel, make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But I know you guys already can tell, we got the new CV axle on. Huge shout out to Napa for the great CV axles that come already painted black, so I didn't have to paint this one. The other side is still the nice brown color that it comes because of the rust, which you can see right there. So huge shout out to GM for their CV axles that rust really quick. Obviously you guys can tell by the title of the thumbnail, I've got something huge to show you guys today in the forms of a custom vinyl wrap. So if you guys will give me just 1 second. Bam, there you go. The new wrap for the Tahoe. I'm just kidding. Nope. Yeah, I'm lying. This is our friend's Mustang. Pretty cool though, huh? Like a purple Galaxy-ish. I wanted to do something like this originally, like a red Galaxy, something like that. But she's picked something a little more left field than this. It was supposed to be here today, hence the title of the video and the thumbnail. So this is not clickbait. It was scheduled to be here today. We thought it was gonna be here, scheduled before 10:30. And then by the time we got around to film the video, it's not here. I already filmed half the video, so wrap was supposed to be here, but it's not here. But we are still getting things done to the Tahoe today, something small. We're finally finishing the chrome delete, which you guys can see right here. Actually, that started with the grill. That got done a long time ago. Then we did the little chrome trims here that you guys saw in the video a couple days ago. And now we're finally getting around to doing the window seals. You know, these were chrome. If you guys remember that, now they are gloss, black, match everything, beautiful, pretty. See? All black. You guys need to get some black window tint. Again, I'm really disappointed that the wrap did not come in today. I was really excited to kind of reveal it to you guys today, which is what that was the plan. Huge shout out to Princess of Mayhem. I'm gonna put her Instagram right in front of your face. I'm just gonna insert a clip so you guys can see it. Make sure y'all go follow her on Instagram. She's got the purple Galaxy wrap, and she's the one that's gonna be wrapping the Tahoe for us. So huge shout out to her. Christina's probably gonna help her out a little bit. So it'll be fun to come back and get some clips of them doing that. But whole lot of stuff going on today. Man, today is the start of the Tahoe build. Chrome delete is finally done. Leveling kit, grill, wrap, maybe some tires at some point we're kind of working on. We got all kinds of stuff on the way, so you guys need to stay tuned. Stay tuned. Hit that like and subscribe button right there. I think it's like right there. Y'all need to go do that. Do that for me, please. Crap, I can't even like get low enough to film this. So I'm doing this for a reason, but I've never, I just need to get down. It's gonna be weird. I'm doing this for a reason. I've never actually checked to see how wide my truck is, but we're gonna find out today. I'm not gonna tell you guys why, but within the next couple of days you'll find out, so you guys need to make sure to stay tuned for the next couple of videos. I have a surprise coming in the mail for the truck, and I'm just gonna leave it at that. Just know we're gonna find out how wide the truck is, and stay tuned to find out why. All right, let's see it. Oh, it's gonna be. Oh, sorry. Here, hold one side. Go to the right at the edge of the tire. Gotcha. 93 inches. What
is that in feet?
7 foot 9 inches. So 7 foot 9 inches. Oh crap. Oh. So 7 foot 9 inches plus what I'm going for means that we're gonna be pushing the legal limit on how wide the truck can be, and you guys need to stay tuned for that. That's all I'm gonna say. Ugh. Ooh, that turned out good. It looks a lot better in the sun now that I can see it. No more chrome around the windows. You just get that full black, just, yeah, I like that. I like that a lot.
We're gonna get overalls and we're gonna do pigtails and big glasses and we're gonna look like the lady from Finding Nemo who shakes the fish, like a nerd, like a straight up nerd.
Bob the Builder? With the, hey, Bob the Builder didn't have
Can
this much,
we fix
didn't
it?
have this much swag, okay? Now I'm
Yes, we can.
like, now if this was a pickaxe, I'm like Paul Bunyan now.
You,
Paul
okay.
Bunyan didn't have this much swag, okay?
Dang, your car looks really good over there. Just saying. This is a good photo.
My best side.
You gotta move the tool to the other side. You like that?
Look
I
back.
don't know how to zoom in.
Look back. It's my best
Marley,
side.
stop it. I hope not.
My best side. You like that? You like that? That's gonna make them want to subscribe right there. That's gonna make them want to subscribe. Right there. I hope I jumped in the.
You weren't.
Dang it.
It was the sledgehammer.
The wrap did not come in today, obviously, but you know, I think it's wrong of me to tell you guys, hey, the wrap's in, and not at least give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek. So I think, I feel like I should at least tell you that it's multicolored. Maybe I'll just leave it at that. But we did finally get the chrome delete done. That is something we've been wanting to do for a long time. And like I said, we've got all kinds of amazing stuff on the way and already here waiting to get installed onto the Tahoe. And I think the blocks are coming out of the truck tomorrow. I think that's the plan at the moment. Now plans can change obviously, but I think as of right now, that is the plan. So you guys need to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. That white bow tie is out of here. I will see you guys later. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.